Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Let's find out. Sneezing is your body's way of cleaning your nose. When dust, pollen, or tiny irritants get inside, your brain sends a signal to blast them out. A sneeze is super powerful. It can travel over 100 miles per hour and spread thousands of tiny droplets. Cover your nose to help keep others safe. Some people even sneeze when they look at bright sunlight. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Weird, but harmless. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's superhero reflex keeping you safe. Like for more fun science,